Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create mind maps on Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE and Tab S10 FE Plus with EdrawMind. So let's start. First of all, a big thank you to Wondershare for sponsoring this video. So first of all, I will open EdrawMind and here is the interface for the web version for this tool. The first feature is about AI powered mind mapping. For example, I want to generate a mind map about gene expression and regulation. So I will start writing my prompt and then I will select this go option. So AI will start analyzing my prompt and then it will start generating a mind map for me in seconds. So here you can see AI will start generating this mind map with all the processes involved in gene expression and regulation, and here it will show you all the details. The next thing is you can customize each component in this mind map. For example, you can change the connectors, you can edit text, you can add images, you can change layout, you can also change themes and colors. So for example, I want to change the layout. On right side I have the panel, so I will select this layout option and I will select this arrow, and here you can see we have a lot of layout options available, so you can select any layout. So for example, I will select this fishbone layout and you can see now I have a completely different layout for my mind map. So here you can see a new layout, so you can select any other layout as well. So for example, I will select this new layout and now I have a new layout for my mind map. Same way you can also change the theme as well. So for example, I want to change the theme. I will select this theme option from here and then you can see we have a lot of theme options available. You can select any theme from here for your mind map. Same way you can also change the background and you can also change the color for your mind map as well. The next feature is about converting your mind map into PowerPoint slides. So you have to select this PowerPoint option and then from here you have to select this option of convert PPT. It will generate outline for your slides and then you have to select the style for your slides. So I will select this style option and then it will show you different style for your slides. So you can select any style from here. So for example, I like this style. I will select it and then from here I will select this option of start. So AI will start converting my mind map into PowerPoint slides and on left side it will show you all the slides. So here you can see it will bring all the details from my mind map into these slides. You can also export these slides and you can also use them for your presentation. The next thing is you can also edit content in these slides. So for example, I will select this slide and now I want to edit content. So I will select this editing option. So here we have this editing button. I will select it and now for example I want to change the title. I can easily change the title in this slide. I can also change the content and then I will select this option of confirm. So I will select it and then a new content will be added to my slide. You can also convert your mind map into an organized project board. So first of all, you have to select this eDraw toolbox and then from here you have to select this Kanban mode. So here you can see I can easily convert my mind map into this Kanban mode. You can also customize each component. You can change the background, you can change the layout, you can change different colors and you can also add new card as well. You can also edit the text in this Kanban mode as well. You can also generate questions about any topic inside your mind map. So for example, I want to generate questions about this topic. So first of all, I will select this topic and here we have this option of AI assistant. So I will select it and then you can see we have this option of give me 5 questions. So I will select it. So AI will start generating 5 different questions related to this topic and it will also start adding these questions to my mind map. Now if you want, you can also export these questions to your notes. So I will open air command and then from here I will open AI select tool and then I will use my S Pen to make my selection. So I will select these questions and now I can easily add them to my notes. So I will select this share icon and then I will select my notes and then I will add them to new note. And here you can see I can easily edit these questions inside my notes as well. The next feature is about file analysis. So you can convert any PDF file or a YouTube video into a mind map. For example, here I have this YouTube video and now I want to convert this YouTube video into a mind map. So I will open my dashboard and then from here I will select this new file option and here I will select file analysis. So you can see you can upload any PDF file. You can also upload a YouTube video link as well. So I will select this YouTube option and here I will paste my YouTube video link. And then I will select this option of start parsing and then it will show you this option of generating a mind map. So I will select this generate mind map option. So AI will start analyzing this YouTube video link and then it will start generating a mind map based on that YouTube video content. So here you can see, so this is really amazing. The video was about different note-taking apps and here it will show you all of these note-taking apps in a structured way with all the details. So now you can customize them, you can edit them, and you can also export them. The next feature is about outliner mode. So I will select this outliner mode and here you can see the outline for your mind map. You can easily edit any text in this outliner mode. You can also add images, you can add hyperlinks, you can add table as well. So for example, I want to add a table. So I will select this table option. You can select rows and columns and then you have to press OK. So here you can see a new table has been added. Same way you can also add any image. So for example, I will select this image and now you can see the same image is available inside this outliner mode. Now if I go back to my mind map and here you can see the same table and the image is available inside my mind map. The next feature is about AI drawing. So you can use built-in AI drawing feature. So you have to select Draw toolbox and then from here you have to select AI drawing. So here you can generate AI drawings. So you can select style, you can select the ratio and here you can write your prompt. So for example, I want to generate a drawing about notes and pen. So I will start writing my prompt and then I will select start generate. So AI will start generating a drawing for me and then I can easily add this drawing to my canvas and I can also share it. The next feature is about templates. So I will select EdrawMind gallery and here we have these ready-made templates available. You can easily use these templates and you can also customize them. So these templates are categorized into different sections. So here we have work, education, life, reading notes and much more. So if you want to use any template, you just have to select that template and then you have to select this duplicate option. So I will select this duplicate option. So this template will open in a new canvas and then I can easily customize this template according to my needs. So here you can see I can easily customize this template. So guys, EdrawMind is available for Windows, Mac OS, Linux, iOS, Android and web. You can also try the online version for free. Now let's talk about the pricing. So you can go for subscription plan and here we have semi-annual and annual option. The next thing is you can also go for one-time payment plan and you can also go for bundle plan as well. So this is for today's video. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.